There's no better feeling than being able to obtain a settlement either before a verdict or after a verdict, because eventually the case is settled, and be able to take that money and have a client use it for their benefit. I'm thinking of one client in particular who was paralyzed in a wheelchair because of excess amounts of steroids that she was given by a doctor, and she was confined to a wheelchair the rest of her life. She was able to use that money to get resources for herself to take care of her. She bought her own apartment in Washington, D.C. She became self-sufficient. Just recently graduated Georgetown Law School, where she went in her wheelchair every day on her own, and now is working as an attorney for the Department of Justice. And I will share to you one of my most personal and really heartfelt thoughts, and that is the letter I got from her parents telling me that, to a large extent, the reason she became a lawyer was because of what she saw I did for her at 2 trials. Her case had to be tried twice, and the outcome, and that she wanted to be able to do the same thing for other people. There's nothing better in this profession and being a lawyer than being able to do something like that. She went through hell when she was paralyzed after the infusion of the steroids, could not move a muscle in her body. Not a muscle. The only way she could communicate was by blinking her eyes. 2 blinks for yes, 1 blink for no, for 2 months. She eventually came out of it, but it were not for her mother being at her bedside 24 hours a day, she would have died. But she came out of it, she fought, she finally went to therapy for 6 months just to be able to sit in a wheelchair. And then went on after that, and then accomplished what I just told you she accomplished. It's just a remarkable story. And I say nothing better than being able to help somebody like that.